what I want to do for this video is I want to show you our third-party website, which is called Mastering A&P. So again, starting from the college, the main page for the college, we're going to Moodle, and we'll click on our class. I'm going to show you from Moodle how to get there, so I click on Bio 163, and if you haven't registered for Mastering A&P, the instructions are right here. Just click on this, follow the directions. I don't want to waste time going over that because it's really straightforward. But then, if you want to get to Mastering A&P from the Week 1 module, you just go to any one of these links that I've posted. So the first thing that you're asked to do under instructional content is to read Chapter 1 in your e-text. This is not going to take you directly there. It's going to take you to Mastering A&P, hopefully. Let's try that again. Let me close that screen out, and maybe it's just taking a while. Close some of these other things down. Maybe I'll try a different link. Okay, it did take us here. Okay, we're just having some internet issues. That's okay. I was going to re-record this, but I don't think I will. All right, so I'm going to click on our class, which is Basic Anatomy and Physiology. That's probably the only one that'll come up for you unless you have some other Pearson courses that you're taking. But anyway, you're going to see a screen. It won't look exactly like this, but I will tell you there's some things over on the left you might want to be aware of. Your Pearson e-text, you can click here and go to the e-text and find your chapter and read. The study area does have some good resources in it. You won't have instructor resources and instructor tools, but you can click on all assignments and see your list of assignments. And I like this view. I like looking at it from a calendar view. I'm glad I looked at it because I need to post more than just the labs. I apologize. I'll have this fixed by Monday. But we'll have your it'll have your readings in here, also your dynamic study modules and your quizzes. So what I don't want you to do, now that you know how to do this, what I don't want you to do is come here and click on, like, say August 22nd, and just click on everything in August 22nd and do it and think you're done for the week. Because you may have some things to do that are located on your Moodle page. So let's go back there just to make sure that you understand. And I must have clicked out of it. But the best thing to do is follow that schedule in your syllabus. But everything listed in that schedule will also be listed in the Week 1 module. So make sure that you look at everything you have to do. It'll tell you where it's located. Under instructional content, it says the Chapter 1 recorded lectures and slides are in Moodle, and the e-text is in Mastering A&P. So if you scroll down, you'll see the Chapter 1 slides and you'll see the recorded lectures. Don't skip out on this part because this is how you learn. This is how you learn the material for the week.